نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. Respected teachers and dear students, first of all, I congratulate all the students. English language has become a language of communication. Everywhere in the world, wherever you go, you will find the people speak and communicate in this language. Even if you go to UNO, where all the countries of the world gather and they put their messages, they hold their meetings and speak together, they solve the problems of the world. Over there also you will find the people speak in this language. So this language has been fixed to have communication within the countries, within the people, within the communities. So it goes without saying that this language has become the language of communication, language of business, language of knowledge, language of science, language of technology, and language of each and everything. I would like to remind you a very historical point of this language. But the language itself, you might remember that when Islam used to rule over the world, Muslim countries were spread throughout the world. Around 3 parts of the world were governed by Islam and Muslims. That time, Arabic language used to be the international language. That time in Qurtuba, Jamia Qurtuba, the princes of the king used to come to get knowledge of Arabic language. Whenever any person used to speak in English, Arabic language, he used to feel proud of that one, that language. Oh, this man is speaking in Arabic language. Why? Because that time the dominate area was in the hand of Muslims. They were the king of the world. And all type of knowledge were translated into Arabic language. The first book of medical science, Al-Qanun, was translated in Arabic language. Around 500 years, the British and all English people or European countries used to educate their students, their medical students, in Arabic language. So they used to learn, teach Arabic language. But now the scenario has changed. All type of knowledge has been transferred in English language. So there should not be any kind of shame or hesitation to learn this language. That time when we were king, we translated all the knowledge in Arabic language. And the people and the world were compelled to learn Arabic language. But nowadays, when all type of knowledge have been translated into English language and all the type of communication have been fixed to make in English language, so it is again our duty to learn English language. Because those who do not walk with the pace of the world, they are lagged behind. They do not progress. They do not develop. You might have heard the story of Nokia. Nokia was the best phone. But when the technology improved, Nokia did not adopt. The result you have seen. Nowadays, nobody taking Nokia phone because it did not take the development, it did not adopt the advancement. So the advancement is English language. We have to adopt it. We have to speak in this language. We have to make ourselves master of this language. I again congratulate the students and as well as the teachers who make them prepared in this language and in these speeches. And I also thank the management to choose me as a judge. Here I would like to conclude my speech. Again, I thank and congratulate all the students for their participation in this contest. وآخر دعوانا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.